Hello, welcome back to Ballroom, and today we're going to be talking about what is the rumba and specifically the wedding style of rumba.
Our wedding style rumba is a variation on the American style rumba, which is specifically designed for wedding couples and to simply and comfortably slow dance to most slow songs.
So the rumba does consist of slows and quicks, so there's a rhythm change, so it does fit specific kinds of music. If you are wondering whether or not your first dance song is a rumba, go ahead and comment down below. We'll take a listen and we'll let you know whether it's a rumba or maybe a different style like the foxy or the wedding style V-waltz, which we also have. So be sure to comment down below and we'll check it out for you.
Our rumba too is a nice stationary dance, where opposed to foxy and Viennese waltz, typically travel around the floor. So if your dance is more of a Latin style and on a really small floor, rumba might be a great option for you.
And so we do take some patterns from the American style. We make them a little easier and a little more comfortable, and they're really beautiful and romantic, so it's a great dance for your wedding dance. That being said, we do have a lot of wedding rumba content up on our website, which I always have linked below for you, ballroomfeed.com. So go check that out and see if it's a good fit. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.